Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In our last video, we built a basic landing page from scratch. Today we're taking it to the next level. I'm going to show you the secret sauce of any successful online business: capturing leads. If you aren't building an email list, you're leaving money on the table. Today I'll show you exactly how to add name and email fields to your page so you can start growing your list on autopilot. Let's dive in. First things first, let's jump back into our Systeme.io dashboard. Head over to the Funnels tab and open up the sales page we started last time. Just click that little magic wand icon, the Edit Page button on the right, to open up the editor. We're ready to go. Alright, let's clean up the design. To keep things focused, I'm going to delete this old video section and the placeholder button. We want a fresh space for our form. Now, I'll grab a row element from the left panel and drop it right here. Let's give it some personality. I'm going into the settings to change the background color to a professional blue. I think it looks great and really grabs attention, but feel free to use whatever color fits your brand. Now, let's build the actual form. Grab the form input element and slide it right into that blue row. Click on the box and over in the settings under input type, make sure you select first name. But we need their email too, so I'll grab another form input element, drop it right below the name field, and this time I'm setting the type to email. It's super important to set these types correctly so Systeme.io knows exactly how to organize your contacts. Next, we need a button that gets people to take action. I'll drag the button element and place it right under the email field. To change the text, head over to the settings, scroll down to typography, and in the button text field, I'm going to type "Buy Now." You could also use something like "Get Instant Access" depending on your offer. Pro tip: under Action when button clicked, make sure it's set to Send Form. This is the most important click. If you don't select Send Form, you won't save those emails. Then, for the redirect, choose to a custom URL and paste your affiliate link there. Now, you're saving the lead and sending them to the offer at the same time. Before we wrap up, always test your work. Hit Save at the top right and click the preview. Type in a test name and email to make sure it's working smoothly. Once it's live, your leads will show up automatically under the Contacts section in your dashboard. It's that easy. And there you have it. You are officially building an email list while promoting your affiliate products. If this video helped you out, do me a huge favor and hit that like button and subscribe to AI Tool Snipe. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to set up an automated email to welcome your new leads the second they sign up. You don't want to miss that one. See you in the next video.